Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the character spacing in your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. And the character spacing is different than the line or paragraph spacing. So to do that, highlight the given text in your document. And the character spacing is the space or the gaps between these letters, not the gap between these lines or paragraphs. So highlight the text. And next, what you want to do is navigate to the text properties. To do that, expand the sidebar to the right by clicking to this handle, click into the uppermost tab or card here, properties, or use the shortcut Alt-1, and you will find the character spacing just next to the character highlighting and font color here. Click into that drop-down menu, select one of these presets, or you may go with a custom value below. So let me increase it. And you will see the result live changed here to the left. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.